Good morning, traders. This is the Stock Sumo over at BlueHorseshoeStocks.com. And today is Wednesday, February 19th. We want to do a quick update on Positive ID Corp. That's ticker symbol PSID. And we put this one back on our watch list yesterday after seeing it come off of a recent consolidation after having a very nice run off of a bottom. And yesterday we observed some nice upward trading action. Want to talk about a few key support and resistance areas. Notice recently the stock came off of a bottom in November, had a spike up all the way to 7 cents from that 2-cent range. After that spike in November, it then consolidated, went back to that support level at 2 cents, and then had another nice run up where it came through the moving averages, both the 50 and the 20-day, passed through there, and had a nice spike up to 14 cents. So our most recent resistance points are going to be 14 and 7 cents. What we want to see here is we want to see the stock get above this previous resistance at 7 cents and hold as a future level of support. Then after that, we have our next resistance at 093. That's the 200-day moving average. If we take a look at the RSI here and we drew a trend line on this RSI, going back right here, we put a line at the bottom of the RSI and pointed up. If you notice, this RSI has been maintaining higher lows throughout this trend here. We've had a nice spike up when the RSI jumped through to the power zone, reached that 90 point where it's considered to be overbought, and that's when the stock reached its high, and then it consolidated. So this recent swing high of 14 cents is going to be the next key resistance if we can break above the 200-day moving average at 093. So like I was saying here, this previous swing high of 7 cents, we want to see a break above that and hold as support. And then the same thing goes forward for these next two key resistance marks. Now if we can break above 093 and 14 cents, then we're going to see what's called a blue sky breakout, and we could run back up to that 30-cent mark. When we first put PSID on our watch list back in June, the stock was trading in the upper teens and had a nice 50% spike all the way up to 30 cents. Now that's going to be another key resistance area, that 30 cents mark, after we get through 14. So a lot of upside potential here. We definitely want to keep our eye on PSID, Positive ID Corp. Be sure to stop by our blog at BlueHorseshoeStocks.com for updates on PSID. And while you're visiting our site, always be sure to check out our disclaimer for disclosure purposes. Thanks for tuning in, and good luck out there, traders.